And in this particular video, Baba Ku come no mama yensa. In fact, you be come no mama baby because story no edoso and maka bomba ko ayen one video. The main story, His Excellency the President John Mahama Busia or the BB friend Media Levy eba. Ama Ghana for no. If na you be hek no frata ne arrest and detention in US no you be ka ho asem kakra na fe no. NDC for no esu ebi musu say Mahama ba no we na nam no omo party leaders bi so aba reply wo mo. Any many other stories. I have Penyah block media. Make sure I say any day more. Oba like video, no other man. Put subscribe button, and click the notification icon for latest updates. Now, be sure to watch the mama. Will comment. Especially about so. No one share for any biashe. Was your free NDC for na omo esu no. On say, you got 24 election mo no. NDC government or share the members bo. Share omo bo pay yes omo ba. Obi abenya adwuma aye. Obi abedidi. Obi abeye say 24-hour economy ade ba. Obi abenya adwuma aye. Enti maburu bi kuom ho ye adwuma dene. I supported the NDC as a political party. Emma Omo, Ewene, Eba, Amamuomo. There was a 1 year down the lane. As a near man cost, Omo Hore. Bosh and She Womono. I said the peers of the West spoke, they have just vanished in the thin air. Omo Hore, what I say? And Jama, some of the NDC appointees, some of the NDC food soldiers, the grassroots, Omo start come out with them say, hey, His Excellency, Muye Bio. Na semba ye unhwe yesra mada Ghana for na sere ye enti bunchobani enhwe ye
NDC enti Ghana for Mahama for bebi a wo NDC for bia ho mumbu ame mabre wo NDC ni konkompe for kura wo musiri ni NDC for MPP for musiri ni musie pa Mahama bakura mantimi anya bibi wantimi anya bibi yo Mahama ya hwehwe usabre ya ba odoko Uba odoko ye mima ukania usi udi a ube hwehwe mi uba odoko mima u abo usi udi a ube hwehwe mi ya bre o mi hwehwe mpenufo nyina obi ase o wo mu ami lamba usi wo mu ami lamba enti mi hwehwe wa na o femi tira kwan mi pa chojo Mahama frami na mi su mi hu bebi a wo jo Mahama mi pa cho ya nkuri mi pa cho Fifemi why Mahama waba odoko mi ma ukania uba odoko na mi ma abuo uba odoko mi ni wa acho picture mi pa acho mi chira kwan Mahama pa acho Mahama pa acho be mi bebi a mi be hu Mahama mi pa acho mpenufo mi busa obi a wo mo ma mi namba enti obi a mfimi enti mi chira kwan why Mahama pa acho mi pa cho mi hwehwe pa hwehwe mi bo o si wo ba wo ba hwehwe mi susu wa ba susu wa hwehwe mi ni baby a wo ho enti mi pa cho hwehwe mi kira kwan wa pa cho Mahama ba ko pe o ni size
na omo su no ana we say kwa Greater Accra omo hono no NDC Greater Accra Regional Organizer a hono a fe no nupenu Anthony Nupenu no. Also aba reply and this phone I will chirem the hair. Ye ntra social media and pay adwuma o. So mo pay adwuma ya mo pie tinzi montene so na mo koye adwuma. Ntra social media na bia wo comment na wo kasa na expect so bi mebro adwuma nye. Adwuma pie ni bia bia se ete no. Mo pay adwuma ya mo pie tinzi montene so na mo koye adwuma. Now, let's get to other conversation. Obekaya emuho ene ba yese Ken Ofori-Atta ne mama update ese about 2 days ago ene bro update ese Ken Ofori-Atta no USA immigration and customs enforcement police ICE from ICE omo akwache Ken Ofori-Atta ama omo say detain no e wo ho no mo ana ebi mu kire say wa ke ne extradition process na Ghana ban no e person odi Ken Ofori-Atta eba Ghana ha no mo no eno so na omo air call because of that no anu akwache no detain e wo ho no mo I said na and lawyer Martin Pegu ebeka sa na so etire mu say the arrest and detention of Ken Ofori-Atta enya enough na omu hia na e wo Ghana ha no it was it extradite no edin eba Ghana ha but abusia na ke yen say the arrest and detention of Ken Ofori-Atta the extradition process and start but no lawyers etire say enya sa na tie there be arrest of Ken Ofori-Atta in USA it has nothing to do with Ghana's extradition no he has overstayed his visa or the call USA yes ason Okose okohwe no yare number of years the man for that visa no it has overdue. I was ultimate renew but say process no nya nwie ye eno so na ma omu ekoche no na say obeba Ghana ha no de munyi mfiri butire onya ma Ghana ha emu kwa say buy say second fighter ikwa no aside USA visa no owo Canadian visa I no ebewu 2031 just a 5 years time osawo UK visa I no so bewu 2031 and say 5 years say second fighter no must don't forget it Oma Ghana ha no mo onya ma ha no say there be Oma Ghana ha no say kra enti se woni da so say Ken Ofori-Atta ba Ghana ha no mo dia na ebuso yi woni na onya ma Ghana ha no mo Abuzanum say NDC abanya government omo promise Ghana for say they will not introduce any new tax because obekaya 13th January 2025 at force during ministerial vetting catch Ghana for Penyah say he knows how to generate revenue without introducing any new tax on for tax bi am about onim how be see embassy free Ghana ha no mo e man na for with that question at force how are you going to do this how are you going to do this are you going to orchestrate something are you going to conjure money to grow into the economy or what at force one kasa but also onim how to generate revenue without introducing any new tax but along the line who say betting tax if you want you levy free confident if you want no mum free on no doom so levy aba ama na nso musa about so mu the sports levy beba no 2026 budget na shemu bi say 2026 no beba life and colored ezenka bi shemu enu na Mahama ekasa aye excellency na no say me say omu ebe TV license efro no mu omi TV license no efro no mu a say enu no mo eto DSTV na de ade no omu nko na etua no omu to multi TV ni de omu nko na etua that TV license no say omu yi enu ni fro no mu a omu the something which is called media levy ebeba
suggestions we have with regards to the so-called TV license. And I think that our thinking is going in the same direction to amend that law to make it a public media levy of some sort. And we're going to change the range of that levy so that it's better able to mobilize funding in order to be able to subsidize the work of the public media. And so when we are ready, it will be discussed in cabinet, but we'll discuss with you what our thinking is before we finally go to Parliament and amend the law. I'm sure that with some of the suggestions we've got, it will be able to raise the amount of funding that it brings in and make you better able to do your work. Your minister brought the issue of the legacy debts to us. And so what I've asked him to do is just to make sure that you keep up with the current bill. We're going to ring fence the legacy debt, and then we're bringing it to the attention of the Chief of Staff to find the funding to be able to defray the legacy debt so that it does not continue to be a charge. We must discuss a new funding model to see how we can make you better able to discharge the mandates that you have. You've mentioned several things, and we're waiting to receive your proposals. I believe that you have the capacity and the assets to be able to modernize GBC. I mean, you sit on prime property in this city, and I believe that we can leverage some of those assets to create a more modern digital GBC that is more fit for purpose than in the past. We are reviewing the Constitution. The Constitutional Review Committee presented their report to me, and it is my hope that Chapter 12, that has served us well since 1992, we look at it again and see how we can tweak it in order that, the media, the chapter on the media creates a better environment, especially for public media to be able to do its work. We'll continue to work with the National Media Commission in respect of the public media. And I think that in all these proposals, we'll bring the Media Commission on board so that all of us are on the same wavelength.
I just want to say, now media levy, na say excellence indirectly, no. Obe say we do any see bloggers, ne so. Because media also there, media levy there. Indirectly, are you coming to tax the bloggers? another day. Enjiremuno, Mayahu, understand so Butu Janafa. Are you coming to tax bloggers? Another Media Levy, say, I know there's any Ghana for it. There was a comedian as a Ghana for no TikTokers, no. Abe fire Mahama on this Media Levy now. NDC government, epese, omo ede ebano.
Watch your TV licenses. When was the last time I watched your TV licenses? What would you that's wrong? TV license amendment law. Ye beji TV license amendment law. No ye we are ye beji TV levy. Ye beji TV levy. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or the TV levy ever. Maybe who are dealing with Kwaname say ye no so TV license no ye twemu. Sa afe ne ye ba beji TV levy no. Ye be shemu kinani agi TV levy. Yo ye ne kotu ya odi na ye ba.
Ibu Mahama. What to go to Aboka? Ye this year sooner. What do you want high levy BSI by people? Open me a DSTV ashe. Open me a DSTV ashe. I got to go to Aboka and fat tax be a man or mine for the so my own toy. I didn't know.
Now on say me catch them say. I was say Odi for combination aja grudge and Kitty Channel because he's all over the internet causing fear and panic. Obi was yamina be cool no. On the animunyam hunu and or Jemana home, Obi a woman was yan nipple can master men me say, and even Matis say I can pass in the cross one of their ball upon Chibi Trimu, Naya a whole lot of issue. Just Obi who are Ajagoja and Munyam, Papa Bia man Honda says will be a year, me a boy, the bond will be a saying, no begging when Munyam, men may say, men yes, I may not be catching them say. Ajagoja, he is causing more than fear and panic. I was here to meet him because now saying no. Obebo abaya bi dua bi se beki ase hwan obebo ni dua bi dua no bo no je se wa bullet ni dia na busuafo nyina da se wo hye na busuan ase esa lady na wo fo nyina da se wo se hye lady na wo fo ase. This is total nonsense, stupidity, madness, foolishness to the peak. Obi tini ba bi no na wo bodu obi dua de odo na beda ase se na down funtino. This is nonsense. I'm coming to say Ada Jagoje ye no I was here to me calling it, putting it to order because he's behaving too much. Anyway, but he's fooling too much. Fooling in this country too much. And we are just gonna make no. Second, me about that mentality. And this is funny bitch say. Say IGP tete yo honu went to me and chi Ajagwaja and tumu 226 here on resign.
Good morning. My name is Cedric Anyamadia. I'm the NDC Communication Officer for Amasaman, Urban Roads. I'm doing this video formally to the President of the Republic of Ghana. It is time the IGP of the Ghana Police Force, Mr. Christian Teteyehunu, steps down as the IGP. It is time the IGP who leads the police in Ghana steps down as the IGP. Mr. President, we as the NDC might do very well, but I can tell you boldly that we are failing woefully in the security sector. There is this guy's name, Kwabena Siyama. This guy have recently, or let me just say a year now, have been threatening the lives of many people on this social media. Initially, he used the former Ofori-Atta commander who was there, and he used the Ofori-Atta command very well to intimidate a lot of people. I have videos where this guy was invited to the formally leaving ceremony of the commander. And there is more evidence that they were friends. That is why he used that commander to manipulate a lot of people. What he does is that he threatens people to kill them, to make their children worse and whatever. And those are physical threats, Mr. President. In as much as we are fighting against cyber security in Ghana, cyber threats are one of the most disturbing issues when it comes to the internet. And this guy have recently threatened this woman and says that he's going to make his children be a sickler or something like that. A lot of threats. Mr. President, I can tell you boldly that the IGP that you put in office is not putting in his best. He's not putting in his best. They have clearly seen this guy. A lot of things that he's doing on social media. Whilst you said Galamsey should be aborted and fight against, this guy boldly made a video, claimed that he helped people to do Galamsey, where he was on site. So the IGP and the communication ministry that have arrested over getting to 500 people individual these years. Just this year that you came into office. Are they telling that they haven't seen this? This guy is beginning to be a thorn in the flesh. This guy is beginning to be a thorn in the flesh. And now, the IGP also, one thing about it is that his office is a boycotter of proper petitions. Yes, Christian Teteyohunu, the IGP, his office is a boycotter of potential and proper petitions. I can boldly tell you, I don't know what people are telling you that they said recently you added 2 years to his years to rule to lead as the IGP. But therefore, I'm calling on you. You need to resign him as soon as possible. Abronye spoke against him and he arrested Abronye, prosecute him to court. But yet, Ghanaians who are supposed to feel free on this social media are being threatened by one man. Yet, the IGP has closed his eyes to that man. And Your Excellency, where these things are getting now, we Ghanaians are not going to take it lightly with this guy. If anything happens to this woman, the children, I can tell you boldly that he will know that Ghana doesn't belong to him. He can have his connections and whatever. But Your Excellency, it is time you resign the IGP. All the security protections and things that you are seeing online are just for online. Remember how far and how hard we suffered to get power, to come back to power. And this guy was purely behind the NPP. This guy was purely behind the NPP. Today, he has the freedom of threatening people. He claims online he kills people. I have a message a message to another person when their camp is claiming that they arrest people just to disgrace them. Your Excellency, I can tell you boldly today that petitions will start coming to your office. It is time you resign the IGP. Resign the IGP, Christian Teteyohunu. I believe there are a lot of young men who can do this better. There are a lot of young men who have the potential. I was part and parcel of those people who campaign against the Dampare regime. But I can tell you today that I'm proud of Dampare and I'm proud of his regime. At least in his regime, nobody had the audacity to come online to threaten the fellow that he will die, he will kill him, he's going to make his children this and that. And I can tell you, Your Excellency, we are waiting for your action on this matter, or else we will take a legal action through our own way. Thank you.
Empeni for mu the American. Ma hwe kwabnesia ma video BCC a. O si think about case na pips atena so. Ama ko for you original command asani apology. Ama Attorney General office nye me numbers gusu. Attorney General office nye anopa o mu di letter aba. Letter ni nye Attorney General address office of the Attorney General on behalf of Evans Dazi ene gusu no. Asema Attorney General no police for the whole Ghana senase no kwabresia mati online eka different thing. Mo sa how mo dey enti amesi IGP na was ye unify office. Omo makwasia we aduwe hwe asem na mate no makoma mehu de menye. Omo makwasia aduwe kwabna mini wanum minim yefu owo wanum minim wo ni wajagora ni nyina mini num wo spirituality me do nyame wo kum ne ntwa won me mekum jamu atuntum ba me do nyame wo ye kwasia wo ya dwe wo fu ate 247 ni me blame ni so about wo life so kwabna wo ye kwasia wo ye fun Attorney General crack case no kwasia de na wo police for no bet me aye me do nyame we are kwasia me ye frame Cedric Anyamadia me na me amasema communication officer wa ha obi hwehwe me amenye obi ame me shebe bia obi ntumi hu mi kwabena wo ye kwasea yefo wo hu mi ni wanum mi ni nanum me dome ofiti ene ko wasefo onye yeda kwabena me nkum na ntwe wo hu so wasefo onye yeda ensi wo yeda kwabena ensi wo yeda se na de bia osoro so dome nkofo ma no wo wase ni bia ni wa be yeda babi on behu babi nkofo behu anyimonyam wo enimguase nka wase ni babi nkofo besere no ahotre ni osun ene nka wasefo eya pese o mani pobufuo na se maye ma adu se me fru kwasia you know attorney general assign letter aba mini wanum kwabena mini wanum kwabena siama mini wanum upa court police ni bi ka cho so be court mu fa sam ni court kwasia osia di no be pacho wan kasa ufa nkofo so pacho kasa meboa sena kasa nkofo nkasa oboa no kasa meboa mini wanum na me pese ma be ka abonti ama nkofo asero mini wanum ni wuso pini un be bia me free the whole voter me fie na ahora ho obiefie bi ni wo mini wanum kwasia wajagraja ne ba me hokra no obe pacho on your behalf se me boa bisa jagraja na ngasa enti ye ko obi obetimi a che the real face of ajagraja eye me cause me hu nanim wo to me o bodam so wo ye bema edu anadwo ye nyina ye ntu wo bodam o kwasia unimi bedi agroga na wo ye kwasia aden na wo ye bema na ye ba Ofori-Atta regional command on Mwamba utimi ahon if you fool physical one day ye biemu ma ya ahon mini wanum wate we kwasia papa asema attorney general office of the attorney general boy na ochi ni tum ni e friend think about ni e friend Evans Dazi letter ni Evans Dazi letter ni na wa kwa jina online say wo na one na ka cho so hu hia wo ya kwasia wo ya dwi mini wanum nim ye fo wo na num mini wo mam ye num mini wo papa num etwa wo mini na num wo ya kwasia untimi ya nka obe online de bia wo kum obi de bia na obe kum obi wu Germany wo so na ade ababo ni trim wo ya kwasia Ghana police etina ho ebo no wa creating content Ghana police akwache no ba kwasia we aduwe Ghana police nkwache no kwasia na otina online na ojimi mini wanum nim yefo wo wanum kwasia e person mani pobufuo asema akọ pips a wo CID aba be kasi ye ntwa asem ne so na enye bibia wo CID no ye mikrom ni oni bi na free baby baako obeka asem ne na msi yo mate ai before the obi aye nua ya mate wo kwasia mini wanum kwabra mini wanum wo de fa me waka bi di agro ade am ne be ye organa ha na be shoku we do nyame sawso wa bia on minya ho time a se na odome nkrofo no me do ya wo ya kwasia wo adwenya adwuma wo ya bodamfo wo meto wo ndia wo ye no wo meto ho preko tuntum ni we drama tuntum a wo bebre wo ya kwasia wo ya dwi mini wanum wate wo ma me anim tatankan mini wanum wo kwasia wo de opa di mi waka bi ho agro na hwe wo oils no de ntia even sekasa wo ya asano wo oils no ya to NBA 7 keys wo spiritual items no ya to ni ya twese obekọ court wo ya kwasia oso wo ya azan mini wanum mi wadwuma mu nkofo ha wo ma me bufu mini wanum wo kwasia mini wanum wo ma me ema me be disgrace me ho ha wati mini wanum wo de ma me sanche video bi na ka se wo na waja ase kwasia wo to bibi wo to mi ade so asamu e to ba de se me kita case a wo be kitem mini wanum mo support kwa bina no mo pa wo ya kwasia wati empeni focus ye mintwa so na mayedi nti wo so bi e wa fe won mini wanum kwasia bi ba
Aha Penyah Media.